I see you prepare a lot of stuff. I see crystal there. It's something new for me.
Aha. Well, today I thought we could work on shapes. So the vocabulary of shapes and maybe some of the uses of what we could do with crystal dishes. And then in that way have the vocabulary grow.
Okay.
Okay.
If I not understand something, you explain me. Okay?
Of course, of course. Okay, so we're going to start with, I would like to present the vocabulary, so all the words that we're going to use today. And I thought, can we just move this just a smidge? Thanks. So I thought what we could do is, you already know that this is all glass, and it's crystal glass. So that's the one thing that all of these items have in common, right, is that it's crystal glass. And that here, this bowl is round. Okay, it's the shape of round. It's a round bowl.
Yes.
This bowl is a square bowl, more or less.
Okay.
This bowl or a dish is an oval pickle dish. Oval, that's the shape of it. And this one is a rectangle pickle dish. That's the shape of the dish. And here we have another round bowl, but we call this one a round pickle dish. So this is a carafe. We can put wine in there, red or white, juice, water, whatever. And these are salt and pepper shakers. Okay. And these three items, these three small items, and this is where the vocabulary would grow, is that pickle dishes, these three, the rectangle pickle dish, the oval pickle dish, the round pickle dish, are also called condiment dishes. What is a condiment?
Vicky, what is it condiment dish? What does it mean?
Okay, so a condiment is a spice or type of food that's eaten in small quantities or amounts, so quantities or amounts, to add to the flavor of the foods that you're already eating.
Okay, to add.
And so, for instance, when you have turkey, you may have cranberries, right? So that cranberries would go in here, that would be a condiment.
Okay.
Or pickles, or if you're having roast pork, you might put applesauce in one of these dishes. All right? And so they're called condiment dishes. And also, salt and pepper is considered to be a condiment. So I learned that actually putting this class together for us. It's like, oh, I didn't know that before. So, do you think that's a little bit clear for you?
A little bit.
Okay, so I'm going to now take these away. No cheating. And I'm going to ask you to just point out these things. So, where are the salt and pepper shakers?
It's there.
Very good. And
Pepper and salt shakers.
no, salt and pepper.
Shakers.
They're salt and pepper shakers.
Shakers.
And we always, don't ask me why, but we always say salt and pepper. So, where is the rectangle pickle dish?
Rectangle pickle dish, I think with that.
Good. And which one is the oval pickle dish?
It's that oval.
Very good. And where is the round pickle dish?
That.
Very good. And the carafe?
It's that.
Perfect. And the square bowl?
Square bowl, it look like to square.
Perfect. And then the round bowl.
Round bowl, it's
Okay.
right.
Now, what did all of these things have in common? What was the same about all of this?
About shape, then?
Yeah, it doesn't matter what shape it is. What is the thing that is similar?
Similar. It's that what как она called
Condiment.
Condiment.
No,
dishes.
that's the similarity for
Similar.
these three,
Да,
right?
condiment.
But for all of these items, what are they? They are all
Repeat your question. I don't understand what.
what could we say about all of these things that would be the same?
Okay.
They are all
This all dish. Not
yes, they're all dishes. Well,
made it
not
from-
quite, but aha.
made it from glass
Very good.
or
Perfect.
crystal. Okay.
Perfect. Perfect.
Thank
That's
you.
great. Now, what is this?
It's bowl.
Oh, yes, it is.
Bowl for maybe fruit, maybe for
Yeah.
cookies.
Yes.
Sweets.
And what is the shape of the bowl?
Shape round.
Yeah.
Round
Perfect.
bowl.
Perfect. And what's this?
It's square bowl. Square bowl.
Yeah.
It's maybe for salad. For everything. What comfortable for you?
Exactly. And what was this?
It's carafe.
Carafe, yeah.
Carafe.
Yeah.
Carafe.
And what would we put in that?
You can put everything to water, wine, juice,
Yep.
what you want.
Perfect.
What comfortable.
What's this?
Oh my God. Salt and pepper shakers.
Perfect. And it's salt.
Salt.
Yes. And pepper. Yes. Always remember to finish your words. Salt.
Salt
Yeah.
and pepper
Perfect.
shakers.
And we would use that to spice things up a little bit.
Да. Yes.
Okay. Now what's this?
It's как бы это round bowl
Mm-hmm.
for spice. Something. Spice. I don't.
Pickle
Oh,
dish.
Pickle dish for
Right.
maybe for carrot.
Sure.
For green peas. I don't know for
Small things.
for small things.
Yes.
For olive.
Olives. Perfect. And what's this?
It's oval.
Uh-huh.
Oval pickle dish, and you can use it for olive.
Yeah.
And for pickles, for something spicy.
Exactly. And then this one?
It's забыла, как triangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Close. It had an angle in it.
Rectangle. What's
Rectangle.
mean rectangle? It's what
rec-
form must be
It's got
four.
4 sides like a square, but a rectangle, 2 of its sides are longer. So if it was a square, here's a square, right?
Well,
it's the
a
same.
square. It's
and-
quadrat.
That's a square.
No square. Quadrat. How in English? Quadrat.
I don't know.
No. Okay.
I don't know.
Square.
It's a square.
It's
And this is a
a
rectangle.
rectangle.
So if these sides were the same size as that, then it would be a square, right?
Okay.
But because 2 sides are longer, it's a rectangle.
Okay.
Okay?
It's new for me.
Oh, good.
Thank
Well,
you.
there we go.
Thank you.
This was a great lesson, but finally, here's what I want to do. I'm going to cover everything up. I would like you to talk to me about what's underneath the tablecloth.
Today,
Uh-huh.
in your lesson, I knew something new for me.
Okay.
And I knew about, как они называются, condiment
dishes?
Condiment dishes.
Yes.
It is for spicy products,
Mm-hmm.
spicy. And I knew something shape,
Mm-hmm.
oval, square, a round ball.
Mm-hmm.
And what I don't, before I don't know about carafe.
Uh-huh.
And it's new for me word.
Oh, great.
And salts.
Salt. And pepper. Yeah.
Shaker.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And here it is.
Yeah. And there it is.
It is here.
Okay, great. That's perfect. Thank you very much, Mila.